Hi guys, let's learn how to make pasta jollof. First, we're going to cook your chicken by seasoning with salt, onions, garlic, curry powder, and chicken bouillon. We're going to give this a very good mix and allow it to cook for a few minutes before adding water. After adding water, you're then going to allow it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes or until the chicken is well cooked and soft. Then you're going to proceed to fry. In a pot, you're going to add some vegetable oil. Heat it up for a few seconds, then go in with chopped onions. Allow the chopped onions to fry on low heat for a few seconds, then go in with spices like thyme, curry, rosemary, and bay leaves. Allow this to fry on low heat until fragrant. Then you're going to add some tomato paste and fry while stirring. Please do this on low heat. Stir until the tomato paste is well fried. This should take about 10 to 12 minutes. Please make sure you fry this well as this is very important. Then you're going to go ahead and add blended pepper mix. My pepper mix contains tomatoes, tatashi, bawa, onions, scotch bonnet, which is rodo, and garlic. Fry this on low heat until it is well fried. Emphasis on well fried. Please. This should take about 12 to 15 minutes. Once you start seeing visible oil over your base, then it is time to season with chicken bouillon and salt them. Stir to combine. Proceed to fry for another 5 minutes. Add chicken stock and water and just enough water to cook the pasta. Give it a good mix, then cover and bring to a boil. Then you're going to add spaghetti into the pot. Please don't break your pasta. Gently stir the pasta until it is fully immersed in the pepper mixture. Then cover it and allow to cook on low heat. After cooking for a while, you're going to open the pot and gently stir the pasta. Please do this gently. This ensures the pasta cooks all around. Please don't stir it roughly, just gently. Then you're going to cover it and allow it to cook until the pasta is soft. Then you're going to mix it very well and proceed to serve. And just like that, your pasta jollof is ready. Making jollof spaghetti is actually very easy if you follow this very easy and simple step. Did you find this helpful? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.